The manual crossfader in the Lightshark allows you to make theatrical style cue lists that you then have precise fade control over. Let's see how it works. Here in this show file, I've built a basic example where my first cue is red and my second cue is green. You can see I'm using the manual crossfader. Here at the bottom in the preferences for the playback, we're able to turn on Fader Controls Crossfade. This enables the manual crossfader. Now, as you saw before, when I bring the fader up and down, we crossfade to the next cue. As you can see, we still have a slight issue where I came all the way down and the fader dropped out. And similarly, it flashes on all the way up. This can be fixed by going in here and turning off the trigger options for fader up plus go and down plus release, or at least down plus release. Depending on your application, you may still want fader up and go to be on. Now I'm able to go through my two cues nice and cleanly. There. Let's add another cue to the mix to see how this will work in a longer theatrical cue list. This time we'll go blue. Add it to our cue list. And then we'll see as we move the playback up and down. We can go from Q1 or Q2 to Q3, back to Q1, and have precise control over the fade time through our show. So whether we want to fade slow or quickly, we're able to follow the scene on stage and adjust the fade time accurately. Enjoy this setting and more here in the Lightshark. Thanks for watching.